Hey guys, unboxing a iPhone SE with the Pure Talk wireless package. So this is what you get. So first thing it comes off with is a SIM starter kit. Welcome to Pure Talk. You have your own number. If you want to keep it, you can don't cancel your service. If you are doing that, we're getting a new number. So let's get started. So we have a SIM card here, came with, and it shows you how to activate it here. Go to puretalkusa.com, choose activate service, choose phone number, option, port number, get a new power phone off, remove your current SIM from your device and replace it with the same size. Pure Talk SIM, power phone on. Here is the phone, iPhone SE. It just says iPhone on it though, it doesn't say SE. Ha! It's easy. Oh, it's little. Okay. So here is the iPhone SE. Nice slim design. It doesn't have the full screen. It's got the bars at the top. The traditional iPhone look. Comes with a lightning cord and a little hello starter kit with a reset button key there, I believe, or one that you can access your SIM card by pushing that with. So let's go start the Pure Talk, shall we? Go to puretalkusa.com. So we're going to do that. Choose activate. Choose phone number option. Port a number or get a new number. Move current SIM, replace SIM one. Good to go. So I'm going to go to Pure Talk and get that started. GoPro, stop recording. All right, we're at the Pure Talk wireless, puretalkusa.com. Go to activate, put in the SIM card number, and that's going to be the one on your SIM card there. Okay, and put in your email address and billing. And make sure that your code is right. Okay. And it gives you your serial number of your device. And you want to enter existing phone number? No, we want a new number. So activate now. It says this process will take a moment to complete. While you're waiting, please do not close your browser or refresh reload the page. If you've not received any response after 5 minutes, you may try again or contact our customer service. All right, so we're not going to wait for that. I'm not going to sit here for 5 minutes. We'll be back. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, so it worked and it gave me a new number. Account name, you can check if you have another one deactivated. Okay, I think that's good. We'll see if I need to put in the SIM card or not. I don't know. This came unlocked, so let's turn this thing on and see. There we go. First time turning the phone on here. Searching. no service. So I'm guessing it's going to need the SIM card in there after all. So I'm going to go ahead and power this off. Okay. I'm going to open it up here with this little thing right here. Okay, so just remember when it comes out, it's that way, and it looks like it's a miniature one, so these just break out here gently. Okay, just like that, and there's only one way it can go in here. And it's even smaller. Break off all those pieces. Okay, and we're left with a little tiny SIM here. And then that goes in there just like that. Okay. Now we'll power it on. I have to hold it down, or my first time really using an iPhone here, so there we go. Okay. Power phone on, so we're gonna go English. Hello. Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this phone to sign in. I don't have one, so set up manually. Netgear. I'm going to choose our network to sign up on. Enter the password. All right, so pretty much that's it to get rolling on the Pure Talk. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time. GoPro, stop recording.